Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix filters not showing up on Instagram. So guys, if you're using Instagram on iPhone or on Android phone, and when you want to upload any story or any reel and want to use any filter on your story or on your reel and facing the issue that this tab, filters tab, not showing. So guys, easily you can fix this problem and easily you can get all the filters here. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to go back on your home screen. So guys, now you have to open your settings here, scroll it below. From here you have to click on app management, and guys, now you have to click on app list. So guys, from here you have to search Instagram. As you can see here, you have to search Instagram, and now you have to click on storage and cache. You have to clear cache of this app, and if you have remember your login, you need to clear storage as well. And guys, after this you have to go back. Now guys, you have to open your Play Store, and here you need to search Instagram. Click on your Instagram app, and you need to update your app if you have not updated. So guys, after doing update, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to show all the effects, all the filters on your Instagram. So guys, after all these doing all these settings, if still not showing filters, no need to worry, you have to open your Instagram again. And guys, now you have to click on your main profile icon, click on three lines. From here you have to scroll it down, click on help, and now you have to click on report our problem, click on report our problem. And guys, now you have to click on include and continue, and here you need to write your problem that you are facing on Instagram. And guys, after writing your problem, you have to mention here your Gmail address for contact purpose, and you have to upload a screenshot. And now you have to click on send. After sending your appeal, within few minutes they will review your appeal and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.